One, two, three. One, two, three. Good day, everyone. Oo nga ba? Kanin mo eh. Sabay na. Good day, everyone. I am Jeremiah Joseph Dabalat.
I'm Christian Joshua Bituyan.
And we are the Group 3. Information Communication and Technology, abbreviated as ICT, covers all technical means used for handling informations and communication technologies such as internet, cell phones, computers, and other gadgets.
And the list goes by, ICT involves and integrates into education that can be highly beneficial in teaching, learning today.
So how about you, partner? How did you know ICT?
I don't know what ICT, but I think ICT is more on information from regarding to the internet websites.
So today we will going to interview our... For further knowledge about ICT, we are going to interview some random students in Christian colleges of Southeast Asia. Let's go. This means we're gonna interview project for Mrs. Ma'am about ICT. Ma'am?
Can I interview for a while?
Hi friends, we're gonna interview about ICT.
Yes. My question is, do you know what is ICT?
Yes.
And how important it is to integrate ICT in education?
I believe the use of ICT is very important and very relevant this day, especially to us college students. So with the use of ICT, dali na lang kaayo pasa og information, gain na tong knowledge from sites good gamit sa itong mga smartphones, computers, and of course as education students ay inyong hamod na partes. Anang dali na lang kung mag-teach sa lain people. Magamit pa doon na siya like sa e-learning doon. Maka-learn ka during na to COVID pandemic. Kaya wala ta nagkauban sa physical pero maka-learn lang po na isa. And moto, dali ang atong communication and access.
Thank you guys.
Nice.
So let's go and let's find another student for our next interview.
Okay, come on.
Sige po.
Hindi ba nato?
My name is Grace Ando and I have a BS, Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Ang ato lang pangutana namin is, do you know what is ICT?
Information, Communication Technology, am I right?
Our second question po is, isa ka-importante nga i-integrate ang ICT sa education.
So for me, it plays a significant role with knowing because nowadays, as a student, so we need technology to do like sa mga computers, mga smartphones, kay most especially, we need this at ang mga research, diba? That time, whenever we have research, no, magkakinahalan kita mag-site sa website and as well as magamit ko natin siya. If in case may mga emergency, makakontak ang ato ang public sa ito even though na sila yung palapit.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po, ma'am. So, let's find for our last interview. So, let's go. Kaya po, ibalik niyo pa.
So, my name is David Cruz. I am a value student sa kanila.
Para sa mo, do you know what is ICT?
One, information and communication technology.
So, para sa mga bro, sa ka-importante nga integrate ang ICT sa education.
Well, it's very important now kay knowing kanang we are in a modern world. We need to constant communication and ito yung mga online class. So, muna, hindi
Thank you bro, daghang salamat.
Lady, hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right as we dance by the moonlight. Can't you see? You're my delight. Lady, I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I feel love for the first time, and I know that it's true. I can tell.